Hi there, I'm Paul. This is Science That Sticks. Biology paper 1, not too far away from that. Roll the graphic. Welcome back. This is Science That Sticks. Today we're going to be looking at B1, paper 1, cells. Behind me I've got a diagram that I've drawn. Anybody can draw a diagram to help them revise, and I recommend that you do because it helps you with your memory skills, but also identifying what's where and what should be on a cell and what should not be on a cell. There are two types of cell that you need to know, the cell organelles. There is the animal cell and there is the plant cell. Both of them have several cell organelles in common, and those cell organelles are the nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, the cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. On the left, my left, as you're looking at this, you're right, I guess. Well, over here we've got the plants. They happen to have a few more things. They have a cell wall, they have vacuoles, and they have chloroplasts. Now, to quickly go around and talk about the functions of each of them. Because both have a nucleus, you can just remember one thing and it does the same in all of them. There's a couple of aspects to the nucleus. The first of which is it does control the function of the cell, but it also contains genetic information. That means it contains DNA, genes, and chromosomes. The next part, which is common to both, happens to be the mitochondria. Very important that you are able to know that the mitochondria is where energy is released during respiration. That's when oxygen and glucose react and they form carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released, not produced. Do not say produced because you are wrong. Then we've got ribosomes. Ribosomes are where proteins are made, which is where your amino acids get rebuilt into proteins. That's happening right there. Then you've got the cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance where other chemical reactions take place. There's numerous chemical reactions that take place in the cells, but we're not too bothered about this at GCSE. Let's go over to the plants. Now, the plants have a cell wall which aids with its structure and supports the cell. Animals, 9 times out of 10, if it's a vertebrate, they have a skeleton. Plants do not have that, nor do they have that really hard shell that many insects and things have. So they just have a cell wall that gives them structure and supports the cell. Doesn't protect the cell. Don't say it protects it. It's not right. They happen to have chloroplasts. Now, the chloroplasts happen to be where photosynthesis takes place. That uses light energy with carbon dioxide and water, and therefore makes glucose plus oxygen. And the glucose is stored as starch, normally as grains of starch within the cell itself, sometimes as cell sap, but that's a different kind of story, and which is present in the vacuole. The vacuole helps with the cell being turgid. So if you've seen a leaf on a plant that hasn't been watered, you see it's all flopping and droopy. That means it's not turgid. It doesn't have enough fluid inside it. And then lastly, which is common to both of them and very important, you happen to have the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that allows things in and out of the cell by diffusion. If it's an animal cell, if it's water, then it's going to be by osmosis. That's pretty much it. So that's a cell, its functions, and all you need to know if you're doing combined foundation, combined higher, triple foundation, triple higher for B1. Take good care of yourselves. Until next time, stay cool. Bye-bye.